Sioux City homeless shelter provides more than just a warm and safe place to sleep to more than a dozen women. Schessler Hall on Nebraska Street helps women with chronic mental illness gain stability by providing holistic wellness and life skills. Staff at that facility are trained to help these women find jobs and prepare them to transition into permanent and more independent housing. Staff say most of the residents who live at that facility have some form of chronic mental illness.
Ladies here at Schessler are here for various reasons. They may have too much anxiety to leave their apartment. They may struggle with bipolar disorder or schizophrenia to where they're calling the police thinking someone's trying to break into their house. They're hoarders, so they get kicked out of their apartment.
Schessler Hall provides 20 rooms for residents. Their executive director says those rooms are usually never unoccupied. People can be homeless for a number of different reasons. Experts at Mental Health Associates in Sioux City say a large percentage of the homeless suffer from a mental illness, which can be a factor behind their situation. A therapist at that facility says the homeless can face illness like schizophrenia, anxiety, or bipolar disorder. She says these illnesses can prevent them from living a normal life and can sometimes lead them to using drugs in order to self-medicate. She says while Sioux City does offer many resources to help the homeless, they're not always easy for them to find.
Think about it. If a person's a transient, doesn't have a home, living on the streets, how are they going to know about this information? They don't have the TV, they don't have the radio necessarily. And if they have severe mental health issues, they might have already alienated some of their friends and family, therefore they do not have the connection with them.
Holmes adds that medications or therapy sessions can be expensive, which could be another reason that the homeless don't get the help that they need. The most recent estimates suggest there are between 250 and 300 homeless people in Sioux City and South Sioux City on any given night. There are agencies available in the Sioux City Metro for anyone looking for a bed. As we mentioned earlier, Schessler Hall has roughly 24 beds available for women. Meantime, the Community Action Agency of Siouxland has 8 apartments, which translates to roughly 25 beds. The Gospel Mission has 75 beds available, and the Warming Shelter has 116 beds available. In total, that's 236 beds, or roughly enough to house 85% of the entire homeless population. The Warming Shelter that we mentioned is located on Nebraska Street and provides a safe place to stay for almost anyone who comes through the doors, even if that person may be on drugs or intoxicated. They're a seasonal shelter, so they're not open during the summer, but the Warming Shelter's first day of operation this season is tomorrow, November 1st.